will answer this one. Simplifying 3x squared times y raised to the power of 0 times 18 x raised to the power of negative 3 times y, the quantity raised to the power of negative 1. So, ang gagawin natin dito, isa-isahin natin yan. So, kupihin na natin yung 3x, this equals 3x squared times yung y raised to the power of 0, so that is equal to 1 times, so since negative exponent yun, so magiging 1 over 18x raised to the power of negative 3 times y, then equals, dito tayo sa baba, multiply natin yan, so that is 3x squared times, so chop-chopin natin yan, so 1 over 18 times y, separate natin yung negative exponent, so times y 1 over x raised to the power of negative 3. Okay, then multiply natin yan, so that is equal to 3x squared over 18y times, so kapag simplify natin yan, so the result is x raised to the power of 3. Okay? So, bakit siya magiging x raised to the power of positive 3? Kasi 1 over negative exponent, so that is 1 over x cubed. Okay? So, 1 over 1 times reciprocal nito, magiging x cubed over 1. So, equals x cubed. So, magiging x raised to the power of 3 na. So, simplify natin. Multiply. So, that is 3x to the power of 5 over 18y. Then reduce to lowest term, divide by 3, divide by 3. So, x na lang yung naiwan sa numerator, raised to the power of 5 over 18 divided by 3 is 6, then y. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Sa choices natin, letter C is the correct answer.